Joyce here. In today's video, we're going to review these dog steps for bed. These are like dog stairs for small dogs ideally, and these could also serve the function of like storage furniture for your dog as well, for their toys and other things. So this is everything that includes in the that it's included in the box, and you will be starting to put everything together. It comes with a manual of instruction, and also it is very straightforward to put these together because every part of these dog steps comes with a letter that you can match with the manual of instructions so you don't get confused, and also you will be indicated what are the screws that you will be needing for each part. Okay, so this is how we put everything together. It was fairly easy to do so. Just you need to have like a screwdriver on hand, and besides that you won't need anything else. Okay, so this is how you will be putting together the drawer that goes on the top, and then we'll go and add also the steps to these dog steps or dog stairs. Okay, so this is how the drawer will be installed here, and then let's go ahead and start putting together the dog steps right here. Once that you have put all the parts together, this is how it will look like, and you can store it and use it as storage, like maybe like a side bed table, but this is meant to be as a stairs for your dog. It also has wheels, so you can actually move the stairs, but also has like the brakes, so you can actually prevent the wheels to be moved so that your dog doesn't fall or sleep. Here are these parts that you will be attaching to the dog steps so your dog doesn't sleep in this wood. Okay, so you can store the first step as well, which is a little bit comfier, and you will be adding these right here, these strips, so you can actually start putting this part on the steps. Once that you have done this, your pet can start using it very, very nicely.
Come here, mommy. Yay!